day, sir, madam. I'm Winnie Concepcion. I am 30 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I'm a single mother. I have 2 children.
Miss Winnie, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more salary to
Support your
support my
family.
family.
Hello, Miss Winnie. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine. Thank you.
Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Amman, Jordan.
How long?
2 years.
How many members of the family have you served?
4.
How many children and how old the children when you began to work there?
2. Their ages are 5 and 9 years old.
5. So, do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
What were your main duties?
I'm washing the clothes, cleaning the house. I do the ironing, the laundry, and cooking.
Please tell me your way of caring baby and how you get along with the young children.
I feed them. I help them to do their homework. I prepare lots of things for them.
Can you sing a children's song?
Yes.
Please try.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino food.
Can you follow a recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you describe your personal character?
Yes, ma'am. I am a hard worker. I'm honest. I'm friendly.
How do you perform as a good domestic helper? Will you follow all the rules and regulations of your employer?
Yes, I follow all the rules and regulations from my employer.
And will you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise.
Thank you.
Thank you.